Imagine a garden that blooms year-round, a constant symphony of colors and fragrances. This is the magic of perennial gardens. Unlike annuals that bloom once and say goodbye, perennials are the hardy heroes that return year after year. Picture this. Spring comes alive with tulips and daffodils. As they fade, the summer stars like daylilies and roses take center stage. Autumn transitions to chrysanthemums and asters, and even in winter, hellebores and camellias keep the show going. Perennial gardens are not just a feast for the senses, they're also a boon for our buzzing friends. The bees and butterflies, providing them with essential nectar throughout the year. Planning your perennial garden might take a bit of thought, but the reward is a living masterpiece that evolves with the seasons. Now, wouldn't that be something to look forward to? A garden that's not just for a season, but for a lifetime.